Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to change Instagram theme to gold. So let's apply gold yellow theme in DMs. Open the direct messages, the bottom middle. Tap into the chat you want to customize. Tab the recipient's name at the very top of the screen. Tap theme, first option, and look through the color theme list for options like gold, yellow, or sun-kissed. Right? And apply it accordingly. Next, if you want to make your Instagram note gold, stay in your messages and tab the notes icon at the very top, right, the top left, please, and type out your message and include the word gold, or use the gold, metal, goat emojis. Afterwards, you're going to share the note. Instagram will automatically highlight it in gold for you and your followers. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.